my channel. I have a jar here today, and I am going to pull something. It could be slime, it could be Roblox, or it could be dolls. Whichever one it is the one that we are going to do today. One, okay, picked. And it is slime. I have slime written. Okay, y'all can't see it. Let me. Yeah, it's backwards for y'all, but it says SLIME. But for me, it's right to left. But for y'all, it's left to right. So good thing I already have my buckets up here. Good thing I brought slime with me in this one. So I'm actually with my dog, as you can see. My dad over there playing game. Dad. Okay. Okay, back to the channel. So I have made a few slimes before this video. I made not slime, this is Galaxy. This is Galaxy. This is another half of Galaxy. I made a really big glass of Galaxy and split them up. And I have another Galaxy. Okay, so I just have 3 Galaxies, and that is not bad. I have one more slime here that we're gonna review. And one more slime here that we're gonna review. So I have a lot of slime. And one of my friends made me, it was my favorite slime, and she made me put Play-Doh in it, so, yeah. So let's first do this slime. It's one of my favorite. Whoa. It's pretty. Everything. So here's the slime. It's purple and pink. Y'all can see. It's purple and pink. Just imagine how this cloud slime feels. Ugh, it smells bad, but it smells like cookie dough. But look, no, like raw cookie, like really, really bad cookie dough. Yeah, it smells bad. So there it is. Get a close up. Super sticky. So we're going to put this one up. Yeah, we'll put that one up. And let's review the other half of it. Get it open. There we go. Whoa. Here it is. Oozing everywhere. Yeah, it's just like the other one. Gross and smells like old cookie dough. Anyway, so here's one Galaxy slime. I like my Galaxy slimes better. So actually, if y'all can see, do y'all see that yellow in there? That yellow is from when I mixed slimes. So here, hi. When I mixed slimes. That's what happened. So I have yellow in there right now. And I also have a fiery red color. So if y'all can see that, that's fiery red right there. And then right here is Galaxy. This one smells a lot better. It just smells like, I don't know, it just smells so good. This fan's movie, I didn't even turn it on. Okay. Put this back in the container. Yeah. And I also have this one. It's the same. It's Galaxy. But I don't know the texture. If it's different. Oh, yes, it is different. This one has little beads from the yellow slime. So you can see a little bit of the yellow slime in there. Right there. About. And let's see if I can roll those beads for you. There we go. Here's the bead. Yeah. So there it is. And then I also have this little color, this little bead. And I also mixed blue with it. That's why there is green right here. That's the seaweed in my ocean slime. From my slime. Okay, so I'm going to put this back. But I love slime. It's satisfying. Super satisfying. And here's the last slime. It's the last galaxy slime that I have. Oh yeah, this one you can see this yellow better. There's the yellow on it. There's a bead, nice and clear. There's the green from the ocean. There's no ocean on this one. There's the red fire. And there's the galaxy. So that's all I have for today, but I actually have one more thing that I have in here that's random. An old antique pillow. It's a little heart. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah. And then this one is the gross one again. This is what I use if it gets stuck on my bedding or anywhere. I just scrape it off with this. So, say it got stuck right here. I just pick it up like this and return it to its container. So to y'all, this bucket looks pink. In mine, it looks orange. So, just putting that up for y'all. And I have an LOL doll dress. Hair tie. The top of a pepper shaker. Tape. In here. I have an old slime container. Another old slime container. Here's my pictures that I have. I'm not afraid to show y'all. It's just a picture of Mal and also a picture of some Tristy pets. Yeah, that's what happened. There we go. And that's all I have in here. And I have a piece of paper. Oh, it's the thing that said slime. Have a little Barbie rolling pin. That's really all we have. So anything else that we have to review here? Yep, there's nothing in here that we have a review. So I'll see y'all next time in the Roblox Twins. Bye!